Hello, my name is Stephen Doyle, your instructor for Geography 212, the online version, an introduction to meteorology. Thought I'd run through just how to access the course materials for you. And the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your list of courses, click over here, and this course is GEO 212 Intro to Meteorology, CRN 11073, and we click on that. Okay, this is going to bring up the week one. And what I've done with this course is I put it into modules of weeks. It'll be weeks 1 through 16, and you'll see that. So here is the week 1 material we have. There's not a lot to do this week, but I'll just show you how to do it. As a matter of fact, there are no assignments, as you can see. We have a lecture that I've recorded for you on PowerPoint through Camtasia. These here are the static PowerPoints. So just for example, if you click on week 1 lecture, let's do that. And then what you're going to do is just click here on this icon.
Well, welcome to week one.
All right, that shows you each week you're going to get that kind of thing happening. All right, in other words, I will walk you through each of the PowerPoints. Okay, and each week has a PowerPoint lecture. Now, that's with this little icon here. That's going to be the recorded one. Down here, this is simply going to be the static PowerPoint lecture, the same PowerPoints that I go through. One of the suggestions I would give you is before you look at, listen to my lecture going through the PowerPoints, I would actually print this one out. Print these out and take notes along. You can do that. Let's take a look at these. I'll click on that. And then you click here again, download week 1 PowerPoint, and this should bring it into the PowerPoint. And I do want to open it, so we'll say open. Anyway, here are the PowerPoints. You can print them out. You can write additional notes alongside them. You know, that's something that I would do, all right? But it's up to you. I would definitely take notes on the lecture as I go through it. All right, so staying with week 1 then, that's going to, the material that I'm covering in week 1 in the lecture is going to correspond to chapter 1 in the textbook. Let me just scroll down here. Computer's a little slow today, as you can see. Okay, we don't need that. That's the PowerPoint coming back up. We don't need to do that. So let's just see if she'll scroll down. Okay, read chapter 1 in the textbook. Yeah, my computer's acting a little funny. This is my own personal computer. Anyway, read chapter 1 in the text, and then you can see week 2 is where the assignments are going to actually start. Okay, let's go home again. Now, when we get down to week 2, and by the way, I will not be in Prescott during week 2. I'm a member of the American Meteorological Society, and I attend their annual conventions. This year, it is in Seattle, Washington during week 2. But that I will still have access to the course. It just might not be quite as quick getting back to any of your emails during week 2, but I will get back to you. So you can see here's week 2. We have the lecture that's recorded. Here are your PowerPoint slides. Read chapter 2 in the text. And then lab 1A and 1B. These are going to be out of your e-investigations manual that you must purchase for this course. You have to do that. It's the only location where these assignments are. So you purchase the e-investigations manual for this, and what you'll find, you'll see lab number 1A, they'll call assignments 1A and 1B. What I'd like you to do is write the answers down on one sheet of paper, and you can submit that to me. You can either attach it as an email or submit it right through this particular spot here. Yeah, I just want the one sheet. The answers are going to be multiple choice, so it's really just a one word or several word answer for that. Okay, and that's going to be due on January 30th. All right, there's also a quiz that's going to be you need to take by January 30th. Now, there's going to be a quiz at the end of each week, each chapter you read in the text, each lecture. They're basically based on the lecture. So make sure you have a good understanding of the lecture before you take the quiz. Um, the quiz is simply going to be 10 true and false questions. It's basically a check for me to make sure that you've read the material. So again, to get in there, let's publish it. And we'll get into that. Click on it. And you just, actually mine's going to look a little different from yours, but you just take this quiz and there'll be, like I say, there's going to be 10 true and false questions. If you have any problems getting into it, just send me an email. I'm very quick getting back to your emails. All right. I've also put this announcement in here. Have a read of that. I'll bring it up. Okay, you can just click on this here. And it's a bit of a welcome, giving you a bunch of information about the course. So I'm not going to bother going through it. You can read through that yourself. Go ahead and do that. Okay. Once again, if you have any questions, email me anytime, and I will get back to you quickly. All right. So anyway, good luck with the course, and we shall. I'll be in touch with you later on. Bye for now.